Singa buli wobeera mu tonamenti oba oyagala kuwangula kikopo naye oluusi wabaawo ebizibu bitabadde oluusi namutagenda wala naye nga ekikopo twali kyagadde kiwangula naye nga sikyakwogera bwogezi kyakukolera wamu kuteekawo maanyi naye ne knockout buli gemu gy'osamba kutwala ku level endala.
First of all, I want to thank the players and the management playing up to the round of 64. Number one, it is not easy. There are so many clubs, but we managed to push, and finally we are out. We shall think about next season. Now we are going to focus on the league. Our focus is to see that the team can qualify to big league. And secondly, we have an issue of players. We don't have enough squad, so we are going to reinforce the team so that next second round we are going to be determined, and then we work harder so that we can qualify. Otherwise, it has been a good game. Much as we lost, and it has been an important game for us. Making it to the round of 64. Yeah, it has been good.
Okay. Winning the Uganda Cup, is it a trophy every club should have won?
Yes, it's a big trophy. It's a big trophy. Winning it because in 2007 we managed to play up to the finals, but we lost to Express. So it has that pride. Winning it's not easy. So many clubs, everybody's involved. So playing up to the finals, it's a very big achievement. Yeah, it's a very big trophy, and really I wanted it. Yeah, next time I'm going to organize a legacy. Yeah.
Real